Hi guys, what's up? I hope you're all doing really well. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you all how to shape your eyebrows at home. So if you want to learn how to do that, please keep watching. So it has been almost 3 to 4 weeks we're stuck in quarantine, and obviously you all have this issue right now with your eyebrows growing like crazy and you can't go out to get them done. So I'm gonna show you all how I do my eyebrows at home. Let me zoom in real quick to show you all what my eyebrows look like. So they have grown like crazy. I have a little unibrow going on and it's just really bad, and it has been almost a month I'm stuck at home and I can't go to the salon, so I have no other choice but to fix these myself because they look so like messed up and it's crazy. So I'm just gonna start doing my eyebrows and show you all how I'm gonna shape them and clean them up and look snatched. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just tie my hair back so the hair is away from my face. The first thing that I'm gonna do is take a spoolie just like this. This is just like an eyebrow brush. If you have that works, but if you have just a spoolie, take a spoolie just like this and brush my eyebrows upwards. So once I have brushed my eyebrow hair upwards, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut that. Once I have brushed my eyebrow hair upwards, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the long hair with a scissor just like this. So as you all can see, there is like extra hair at the top, the long hair. I'm just gonna cut these hair. So I take a scissor like this. This is an eyebrow cutting scissor. It's not a regular scissor. It's a little different. As you all can see, it has a little this curve to it, which helps in cutting the eyebrows really nice and precise. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this to cut the long hair from here. The same way, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the long hair on this eyebrow using the scissors. So I'm cutting the extra hair, which is pretty long, longer than my regular growth. So I'm gonna cut these to get the perfect shape. Alright, so as you all can see, I've cut the hair from the top and I'm just gonna take off the hair so it looks a little neater. And I will use the spoolie once again to brush the hair upwards to see what the growth looks like and how the shape is looking. So it looks pretty good. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use the spoolie once again to brush the hair downwards. So just like I did that, I'm gonna go ahead and brush the eyebrow hair downwards like so. Let me zoom in once again. So I'm just brushing the hair downwards. This way I'm gonna be able to see the extra hair. Like as you all can see, this is the extra hair and I am going to cut them. This is the growth which we do not want right now. Same way I'm gonna do this, brush them downwards and cut the long hair. Taking my scissor once again, and I'm going to cut the hair from below carefully, just like this. It's a little tricky, but once you get the hold of it, you become the eyebrow master. Alright, so once I'm done with cutting the hair from the top and bottom, I'm gonna brush my hair once again upwards. This way I will be able to see the shape properly. As you all can see, we can already notice it looking clean and nice. Next comes the not so fun part. We have to tweeze the hair individually. This is how I like to do it. You can use a thread or you can wax if you know how to do it. I am not really good at that, so I use my tweezers to pluck the eyebrows from the root. That gives a really nice clean look. So I'm gonna go ahead and individually pluck the hair from the root, over here, from below, above, wherever we have extra hair. I'm gonna use the tweezers to pluck the hair. So let's get started. So I'm just zooming in to show you all my unibrow. As you all can see, I have this cool unibrow, and I'm just gonna individually pluck the hair. So I grab the hair using the tweezer like this and pluck. Look at that. Look at that. So the same way, I'm gonna continue and pluck all the extra long hair that we don't want. Just like that. You guys can see how much hair has already come off. Look at that. Oh my god. Wow. And just like that, I'm gonna continue to pluck these eyebrow hair. So I'm gonna continue to pluck the eyebrows wherever I have the extra hair. Let me zoom in once again to show you all what this looks like. Look at that. Clean. We stand. By the way guys, this is literally my way of doing the eyebrows. If you do it any other way, good for you. But I'm gonna share what I do. And this is my way. So please don't come at me telling me what's wrong and what's not. Please, thank you. So sometimes when it gets a little hard, I pull the skin so that it doesn't hurt much. So that's what I'm doing, pulling the skin. And yeah, so now guys, when this part comes, this is this tricky part. As you all can see, I can clearly notice that these hair are extra and I can just easily pluck them. They're not merging properly. I know I suck at this, but I'm trying my best to explain it to you all. So if I remove that hair, this line becomes perfect. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pinpoint that hair, which is ruining my eyebrow shape. So what I do is take the hair, alright, and pluck. And you can see clearly that my line just became straight and clean. And just like that, I'm gonna continue to find the hair that's making my line go, you know, out of proportion. So I want my eyebrow to look straight and clean. So whatever hair is making it uneven, I'm gonna pluck that out. I'm not gonna pluck every single hair out. I'm just gonna pluck the hair which is making my eyebrow uneven looking. And then obviously I have a lot of extra hair over here at the end and at the top, so I'm gonna pluck those too. But as you all can see, we have like these tiny annoying hair, so I pluck them. This will give you a very clean look, and it will look like you just went to the salon to get your eyebrow done. So while I'm doing my eyebrows, I continuously brush them upwards just to make sure the shape stays the same and nothing really changes. Alright, so we have almost got that. Now we're gonna clean up the whole area, and I use a facial razor or an eyebrow razor to do that. That will give you a very nice and sharp clean look. So I use any eyebrow razor. I got it from a dollar store. Let me show you all what it looks like. So this is what my razor looks like. It gives me such a nice clean eyebrow look. I love it so much. I'm gonna show you all what I do with it to get the best shape. So I take this and bring the razor downwards like so. Very carefully, by the way. Make sure you don't ruin your eyebrows. As you all can see, there's hair coming already. That's all the extra hair we don't want. Once you come closer to the eyebrow, go slow. Go to the side and just do this. Want to get rid of all the extra hair. Alright, so once again, brush upwards, clean up all this area because I want to see what my eyebrows look like right now. That's pretty clean and nice. Now we have to do the area under over here because that's a little messy too. So first I'm gonna once again tweeze the extra hair out like so. Oh my god guys, this is quite painful honestly, but what to do? You have no other choice. I mean, if you don't shape your eyebrows, good for you, but I end up looking like this, so I have to shape my eyebrows and clean them up. They look so bad if I don't. Once again, I'm gonna go ahead with this razor to clean up the area underneath my eyebrow. So this is super tricky. You don't want to cut anything, not your eyeball, not your eyebrow, nothing. So be really careful when it comes to this area. As you all can see, I've done most of the work. So I used the razor and I used the spoolie and the tweezer and the scissors, and I think I got what I wanted. So this is what my face looks like right now. I mean, it's really good considering the fact that I did this myself. I'm not a pro. I never said that I was a pro. However, this is how I like to maintain my eyebrows. This is kind of like a self-grooming thing, and I think this works. Doesn't look that bad and it does the job. I kind of cleaned this up because I don't know, only God knows how much longer we're gonna stay indoors, and I couldn't wait for my eyebrow lady to do my eyebrows, so I had to do it myself and look presentable because I can't come on the camera with my unibrow hanging. So anyway guys, this was my little session of how to do your own eyebrows at home. Once I'm done with my eyebrows, I go ahead with my 24-hour brow setter gel by Benefit and just give my brow a nice little lift. It gives a pretty nice look, makes it look nice and fresh and pulled together, and I really like it. So this right here is my final look. I really hope you all liked today's video. If you did, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I want to make more and more of such videos to help you all. And I hope this crazy time just gets over as soon as possible. Let me know what you want to see next in the comment section below. I would love to see your suggestions. And I will see you all in my next video. So until next time, goodbye.